You have no idea how tired I am. If only I could find some peace. Some peace. I'm the seagull. No, that's not right. I'm the actress. The actress. So he's here too. No longer matters, truly. He undermined me. He didn't believe in the theatre. He mocked my ambitions, and slowly he infected me. I lost all my confidence. And there was all that torture of being in love, of being jealous. The constant anguish for my own child. It killed my acting. Onto this stage, walked this nothing. A non-person. I didn't know where to put my hands. I didn't know where to stand. I heard my own voice and it was horrible. You have no idea the hell of acting badly. I am the seagull. No, that's not right. You remember that time when you shot a goal? A man walks in and catches sight of her, and for no other reason but because he can. He destroys her. A subject for a short story. No. That's not right. What was I saying? I was talking about acting. Well, it's all changed. I'm a real actress now, and when I go up there, I couldn't be happier. It's like being drunk. When I speak, when I move, I find myself to be beautiful. And in some way, actually, the act of coming back here, it's been really good for me. I've had time to walk and to think. I've replenished myself, my spiritual resources. I've understood something, but once, Costa, when we work, if we act or if we write it mustn't be for glory, no. It mustn't be for fame. None of the things that I used to dream about, no. It must be the ability to endure, to carry your cross and to have faith. I have faith. And now these things, they don't hurt so much. When I think of my vocation, I'm no longer afraid of life.